Hey guys, we received this Hoarosall Kids Drawing Projector for test and try. It's an art and craft kit. This is a version 2 of this projector, and this is have also have the colored pencils, crayons, coloring books, drawing stencils, and other stuff. It's a complete drawing kit for kids to have fun. So you can see all different slides. There are like 72 patterns with 8 slides and 9 decks. So you can see all the styles in the nice vibrant colors, and then you can just project this on a paper and start drawing or tracing those images. So this is the drawing book, or these are the small packs as to assemble this product. So we can just assemble this product. So you have to put this small thing in on the other side and then put this and do the screw. So the assembly is pretty straightforward, and you can just tighten the screw and adjust the projection. You can also put this protective caps on the top if you want to. So once this is all assembled, you can just put in the slides and then start working on those and see the patterns. So just to mention, you have to put three AA batteries in it, and the batteries do not come with it, so you have to get on your own. So just open up this and see the other stuff. So it's an accessory kit that comes with it, and it have like the crayons, like the different crayons, colored pencils, pens, stencils, and the other stuff. So you can make different shapes with these stencils. And these have these other stencils and things for making up the other things. So there are the stickers and the coloring book as well, and you can use these stickers. There are a lot of stickers that you can use in your drawings and things. So it's a good, nice things, and let's put these batteries as I mentioned. So it requires three AA batteries, and then you have to put in here. So once the batteries are in, just close this thing, and then you can just press the on and off button. It have music also. Once this projection is done, you can see a clear picture on a sheet, and then you can just trace it and draw it. So this will be a really great fun for the kids and then enjoy the stuff. And also like different images, as I mentioned, total 72. So of course it will take their time and energy, and they will like doing these drawings and craft, and then we'll be happy to enjoy this. So it's easy to trace when there is a good image on the paper, and then this will just mimic the images itself. So you can have fun, you can enjoy and see. So you can also use these stencils for make different images or different patterns. So this is also a fun, is a overall a fun thing.